Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in this session we will discuss about Pinterest. What is Pinterest, how Pinterest works, how Pinterest can be leveraged for your businesses and what are the rules associated with it. Now let's get started with it. What is Pinterest? As the very name specifies, pin your interest. That is, I am pinning my interest. Pinterest is a social networking platform that allows users register, upload, organize and manage images and videos called as pins and pinboards. I am actually using Pinterest as a social media platform to promote my business by actually pinning my videos and images to the pins and pinboards. That is Pinterest. Pinterest can itself call itself a catalog of ideas. It is basically an online catalog, a social media online catalog where you can pin your interest and promote your business, whether it is your business or as an individual. Both can be achieved. How Pinterest actually works? Pinterest is a free and social networking site, that is number one. Pinterest allows users to register, log in, upload and organize, manage videos and images that can be pins and pinboards. Each pinboard created is intended to tell a unique story. If you create an image or it could be an infographic, from top to bottom you are actually narrating a story. The story could be personal, it could be professional or it could be that belongs to a business. You are narrating a story through an image or in a video. Pinterest is different from other social networking sites as it relies on visual presentations in forms of images and infographics. It's a bit different, unique in the sense that it relies hugely on the images and infographics where the user, it could be an individual or a business, are leveraging Pinterest as a platform and to post images or infographics that narrates a story related to a business or a product, a service or a solution. Different users connect with each other based on the common interests such as passion and hobbies. It can be, there are multiple users, millions and millions of people on Pinterest. If you have a passion or a goal or a habit that you are pinning on Pinterest, there might be people who are actually belong to the same niche, the same goal, the same passion, the same habits. Now you can connect with them so that you can create a win-win situation for both of you. Pinterest for business account and rules. Create a business account, post high quality infographics. This is extremely important. Nowadays what is happening is infographics are gaining traction all over the world. You need to create high quality infographics that narrates a story, that tells a story to the user what this product or information is all about. Draw insights from analytics. Extremely important. Now you are actually promoting your business or a service or product on Pinterest. You need to actually find out what is the kind of traffic that is you are generating from Pinterest and analyze where they are coming from so that you can improve the quality of your postings on Pinterest. Keep boards clean and optimized. Extremely important. Have the board completely optimized. Content, the infographics, images, whatever you are posting to promote your business, make sure that is clean and optimized. Pinch shareable images. Provide information in terms of images and infographics that actually generates curiosity, that actually helps user in sharing those pins. Follow the right people. Make sure that whatever the industry or a business that you belong to, find out people who are into the similar line, or people who are connected with it, or people who may intend to take the services of your company, follow them. Pinning frequency. This is extremely important. When do you need to pin and when you not to pin? That is very, very important. Make sure that you pin at the right time, at the right location so that people can actually see the pin. Match content with audience. You know who are your audience. You know who are your intended customers. Match the content that the user is looking for, your audience is looking for, your customers are looking for. Match the content to the audience. Typically the pin size should be 736 multiplied by 1102. That should be the normal size of the pin. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is Pinterest, how Pinterest works, the business account and rules. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.